Restitution. Restitution is a legal remedy designed to restore an injured party to the position they were in before a loss occurred. In some civil law jurisdictions, it is closely related to the concept of unjust enrichment. The primary goal of restitution is not necessarily to punish the wrongdoer. Instead, it aims to prevent a person from unfairly profiting at the expense of someone else. If someone obtains money or property illegally or by mistake, the law requires them to return it. Courts across the US, UK, and Europe utilize this remedy in both civil and criminal cases. In criminal law, a judge often orders an offender to financially compensate the victim for direct losses. In civil contract disputes, it forces the breaching party to hand over their ill-gotten gains. For example, imagine a thief steals a valuable painting and sells it to an art dealer. The police eventually catch the thief and recover the funds from the sale. During the criminal sentencing, the judge orders the thief to pay full restitution to the original owner. This ensures the victim is financially restored for any damage done to the artwork. In a civil context, if a bank accidentally deposits money into your account, you must return it. Keeping the funds would be unjust enrichment, requiring immediate restitution,